First projection is AP projection. The central ray reference point is perpendicular to the center of between xiphoid process and jugular notch.
Paano kapag
It is to show the intervertebral disc, thoracic bodies.
paano
This projection is lateral projection. Central ray is perpendicular, kapantay ng T7, kapantay ng inferior angle ng scapula. This is to demonstrate the interspaces of disc of thoracic vertebra. Projection is PA or AP oblique. Same pa din ng central ray at reference point sa may T7. Perpendicular. It is used to demonstrate the joints. Ito po yung sa PA. For lumbosacral examination. Projection is AP projection. Central ray and reference point is sa level ng L4 or sa iliac crest, at sa midline niya is the navel. Dito po. Next projection is lateral projection. Same ang kanyang reference point at central ray, perpendicular to our iliac crest. It is to demonstrate the lumbosacral junction at interspaces. Next projection is lateral projection. Same ang kanyang reference point at central ray, perpendicular to our iliac crest. It is to demonstrate the lumbosacral junction at interspaces. Projection is AP oblique projection. Central ray and reference point is perpendicularly directed 2 inches medial to the elevated axis. This is the axis, 2 inches medial. Dito po. Shows oblique projection of lumbar sa kayong scatidog in appearance. Pag maganda daw yung oblique mo, makikita mo yung scatidog. This projection is PA oblique projection. It is perpendicularly directed at the level of L3 above the crest of the ilium. Yun din, may scatidog din siya. Projection for lumbosacral joint. Projection is AP or apical projection. Ang kanyang directed through the LS joint, lumbosacral joint, at average of 30 degrees pag male and 35 degrees pag babae. Cephalad entering 1 1/2 inches to superior to the pubic symphysis of the MSP. So, ayan. And then, i-angulate po natin siya cephalad. So, sa kanyang pubic symphysis. 30 degrees since he is a male. Projection is AP oblique, perpendicular to the center of the IR, entering 1 inch medial to the elevated axis. 1 inch medial. And then it shows sacroiliac joint farthest from the IR. Next projection is Kovacs method or PA projection for the fifth lumbar, directed 15 to 30 degrees caudal depending from the alignment of spine along the superior to crest of ilium to the uppermost ilium through L5 on the dependent side. Tapos third, may angulation siya. projection is AP and PA axial projection. For sacrum spine, directed 15 degrees cephalad, 2 inches superior to the pubic symphysis. 15 degrees cephalad. And for prone, 15 degrees caudad to the visible sacral curve. 1 degrees cephalad for to the palpable coccyx. It is to demonstrate sacrum and coccyx free from superimposition without foreshortening the sacrum and the coccyx. Projection is lateral projection. Dito po yan sa yung palpable. Yan. Diyan po. Perpendicular. It is to show the lateral projection of sacrum and coccyx. It's PA weight-bearing method. Ha? Sakit yung likod mo. Directed 15 degrees caudad to the level of L3 to L4 L5 L5S1 if these are the interests. This to show the protrusion in the disc and para malocalize kung saan joint yung involved. Next projection is the lateral projection, Frank et al. Method, perpendicularly directed to the center of IR. This is used to demonstrate the lateral curvature. It occurs with the force of gravity acting on the body, which can also be done in bending series. Next projection is PA projection, Ferguson method. It is to show the comparison, distinguish the deforming or primary curve from compensatory curve. Next projection is lateral projection, hyperflexion and hyperextension.